Hey everyone, today we're at a house here in Winsboro, Texas. We're going to be taking down those posts and putting some cedar posts up to match her shutters. So let's get started. at the very bottom. Okay, everyone, there it is. Top to bottom on both sides. So this is a much cheaper way to wrap a post. So if you have some old posts like this and you want the cedar look, you can go ahead and get the cedar posts. But if you are going to do a 6x6, they're going to be over $100. You could do it the way we did the treated 4x4 for, how much was those treated? 20 something? No, 10. They were $10 each. And then these cedar boards that you wrap it in is like $5 each. So that's a much cheaper way to get the look that you're wanting. So anyway, give us a call if you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and you want shutters and posts wrapped. Give us a call, 214-846-1096. Or my email is McKissick, MCKISSICK, Julie, JULIE, @yahoo.com. We would love to help you out. Again, my number is 214-846-1096. If you're looking for some shutters or wrap posts, we would love to help. Thanks, y'all. Bye.